Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to auto-reply to Instagram story responses using Manychat. This is an excellent way to engage with your audience instantly and never miss an opportunity to connect with followers who interact with your stories. Let's dive right into the setup process. First, you'll need to open your Manychat website. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Here, click on Automation. This section is where all the magic happens, allowing you to set up automated responses and workflows that save you time while keeping your audience engaged. After clicking on Automation, you'll see an option to create something new. Go ahead and click on New Automation. This will open up a template gallery designed to help you quickly set up common automation workflows without starting from scratch. In the template gallery, you'll notice various pre-built options tailored for different purposes. For our task today, click on Generate Leads with Stories. This template is specifically designed for automating responses to Instagram story interactions, making it perfect for what we're trying to accomplish. Now you'll see a configuration screen where you can customize how this automation works. The first option you'll encounter is when someone replies to, and here you can choose between any story or a specific story. For this example, let's select any story. This means the automation will trigger regardless of which story someone responds to, giving you broader coverage across all your content. Next, you'll see another setting labeled "and this reply has." Here you can choose between specific words or reactions, or any word or reaction. For this tutorial, let's choose any word or reaction. This ensures that every single person who responds to your stories will receive your automated message, whether they send a text reply, an emoji, or any other type of reaction. Moving forward, you'll find a section that says they'll get the DM with a link. This is where you input your actual message or reply that followers will receive. Take a moment to craft something engaging and relevant to your brand. This could be a thank you message, a link to your latest product, or any other content you want to share with people who engage with your stories. Below that, you'll see a section called Other Things to Automate. Here you have additional options to enhance engagement even further. You can enable React to Story Replies with Heart, which automatically sends a heart reaction to anyone who responds, making them feel acknowledged. You can also enable Follow Up to Grow Engagement, which sends additional messages to keep the conversation going and build stronger connections with your audience. Once you've configured everything to your liking, head to the top right corner of the screen and click Go Live. This activates your automation and it will start working immediately. From this point forward, anyone who responds to your Instagram stories will automatically receive your custom message. And that's it. You've successfully set up auto replies for Instagram story responses using Manychat. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.